Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2004 Harley Davidson Night Train. I'm going to show you. We're offering this bike as a scratch and dent special. Not because it's in bad shape at all, it's in pretty decent shape, but it's just got a little more age on it and a few more miles on it. We just didn't on our scratch and dent bikes, we just don't do anything really to them, except on this one I see we put a new front tire. Usually we just sell them as is, where is. The bike comes with a detachable windshield, a fork bag. It's got the black powder coated little fork legs, black powder coated motor, some upgraded engine side covers, upgraded Harley Davidson flame style foot pegs and pedals and hand grips. Got marbleized paint, black metallic flames. Got a little Willie G skull tank bib there. See a few scratches on it back here. Really, it's in some pretty nice shape. Comes with an 88-inch motor and a 5-speed. Got a set of Vance & Hines long shot exhaust on it. Back tire actually looks pretty good too. Had the seat replaced with a Harley Davidson Badlander seat. Actually, this bike's only got 17,295 miles. It's a carbureted bike, runs pretty good. Nice little lope to it. Well, it's a little cold right now. It sounds like it's about to die. Yeah, let me choke it just a bit. Actually didn't let it warm up much this morning. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. And go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino from American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.